Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Here on Lake Lanier, it's a balmy 42 degrees today. We're going to look at the protected Continental 250, perfect for weather like this. It's the all-new 2020 model with some interesting features. 25-foot Continental has some new colors to it. It's a white metallic with black gel coat combination. It has a new look of a very luxurious marble floor. New color interiors, including the burgundy and the cream colored seats. Of course, it has the underfloor storage. As you walk further into the boat, you notice it's got a full enclosure to stay out of the weather. For those that want to camp at night, they can use this boat for that. There you see the captain's chair. Next to that is a new feature, the table that comes with the boat. Looking at the helm seat, you notice that it's got the digital throttle system. It also has a captain's cup holder to the right of the steering wheel, which will keep your beverages cool. The SIMRAD GPS depth finder. Looking aft, you can see the rear seat arrangement, the open door to the rear, the bi-directional rear seat. Pull as many people behind it as you want. Use the tower for whatever enjoyment you want. Just have fun on the lake. This new motor is a true winner, and you'll have many hours of enjoyment and pleasure driving this boat.